how to turn off YouTube shared controls notification. So if you want to turn off YouTube shared controls notification, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit and go with apps section. Under apps, you need to go with manage apps and go with search. Now here you need to search for Google Play services, and once you find it, you need to tap on that. Scroll down, go with notification section. Under notifications, here you need to scroll down again and you will find a notification which says cast. If you find the notification which says cast, you need to go and turn that off. If you don't find it right here, then what you can do is just simply turn off the floating notifications. Once you've done that, you can go back and now you can search for YouTube. And here also you need to scroll down and go with notifications, and under the YouTube notifications you may have cast. You need to just simply go and turn off the cast. Go with additional settings in the app, go with notifications, and here if you find the cast notifications, you need to go and turn it off, and this will fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.